Okay, now we will study the next topic is shear force and bending moment diagram. In this topic, we will study all the beams that has carry the loads. So first off, what is beam? Beam is a structural member which carry transverse load. We can see in this diagram that point load is act on the beam. Now types of supports to the beam. The first is roller support. In this diagram we can see that is roller, and MR, that means moment reaction, that is equal to 0, and RH is horizontal reaction, that is also 0, and RB equal to vertical reaction, that is not equal to 0 for the roller support. The next support is hinge support. Hinged means the one end of the fix. So this is moment reaction is also 0. And the next is fixed support. Fixed support, that is moment reaction is not equal to 0, RH not equal to 0, and RB is not equal to 0. Okay, these are the important supports. The first is roller, the second is hinged, and third is fixed support. Now next is types of beams. The first is cantilever beam, second is simply supported beam, third is overhanging beam, and fourth is fixed beam. Fifth is continuous beam, and sixth is the first is cantilever beam. Cantilever beam means one end is fixed and other end is free. That is cantilever beam. We can see this diagram. And second is simply supported beam. Simply supported beam means one end is hinged and other is rollers. That is simply supported. We can see this diagram. And third is overhanging beam. Overhanging beams means it is a extended one end or simply supported beam, right? The next is fixed beam. Fixed beam means both ends are fixed of the beam, that is known fixed beam. The next is continuous beam. This beam have more than two supports, that is continuous beam. From the diagram we have 3 and 5 supports on the beams. Now 6 is prop cantilever beam. A cantilever beam with one extra support, that means that is cantilever beam. And now we will study moment. Moment is force into perpendicular distance, that is F into L, right? This is the moment. Now we will study shear force. Shear force is algebraic sum of vertical forces at any section, right or left, of the beam, that is known shear force. Shear force diagram, it represents shear force at each every point entire length of the beam, that is known as shear force diagram. Sign, we use the sign of right side from to the upward direction positive and downward direction is negative, and in the left side upward is negative and downward is positive. Shear force indicates sliding tendency or shearing tendency, right? And about it, bending moment diagram, it is algebraic sum of all moments of the force at any section, right or left, to the beam. Bending moments means all the moments should be equal to 0. It indicates bending tendency. And sign is, if we left to right that sign is positive, and if we looping that is negative. So I hope this is about bending moment and shear force diagram theory, and next lecture we will study of the numerical. Thank you.